it's your girl Lee, and I'm coming to you guys today with the snack crate video. This is the box that it came in. It's just basically a company that sends you different snacks from around the world. So I'm just coming to show you guys what they sent me and just tell you how they taste to me. So let's just hop right into the video. Okay, so my box is from Canada. They send you this little pamphlet with a little information about Canada, some fun facts, and just a little information about Canada. They also send you this paper with different snacks on it. I can't really tell if this is everything that's inside the box, but let's see. So then it comes like this, closed, the sticker. So I'm just gonna taste the ketchup chips first. This is what it looks like. They're good. I don't know if they taste like ketchup, but they taste like ketchup a little bit, but they're okay. The next thing that I see are these hickory smoked sticks. They say original flavor. So the hickory sticks are crispy potato strings with a unique smoky hickory. So the hickory sticks are crispy potato strings with a unique smoky hickory flavor. They definitely smell smoked. This is what they look like. They taste just like they're described. They're not bad, but it's not really something that I would buy. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Bear Paws. These soft and chewy biscuits are made with real bananas, making them resemble freshly baked banana bread straight out of the oven. Taste in a wrapper. Let's see what it tastes like. So it comes with 2 of these in a pack. That's what it looks like. This is actually pretty good. It smells like banana bread. It's soft. Soft and fluffy. It's good. So I upgraded my crate and I got the crate that comes with the drink. So they also sent me this cream soda. It says it's a rush of creamy sweet flavor with every sip of this classic Canadian soda. And it says cream soda, soda mousse. I don't know how to feel about this. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not something that I would pick up. Okay, so the next item in the box is this Mr. Big Bar. It's named after being the biggest candy bar sold in Canada. This hefty snack is filled with crunchy peanuts and caramel and then coated with a delicious layer of milk chocolate. This plate. It smells good. It's pretty good. It has a wafer in the inside, it looks like. Peanuts, caramel, all that. It's pretty good though. Okay, so the next item that's in the box is this Wonder Bar. This marvelous candy bar features Cadbury milk chocolate filled with peanut butter, Rice Crisp, and delicious caramel. It kind of sounds like the last candy bar. When I bit into it, it's really soft. Like the whole middle of that is pretty much peanut butter. I don't really like that. On to the next. The next bar is this Crispy Crunch. This satisfying candy bar boosts a delicious peanut flake interior wrapped in delicious Cadbury chocolate. Okay. And this one kind of sounds like the last bar with the peanut butter and whatnot in it. The difference between that candy bar and the last one, that one, the one that I just ate, kind of reminds you of a Butterfinger, but like crispier. Like this one is more crunchy in a sense, but it tastes like a Butterfinger. Okay, so the next candy bar is this Coffee Crisp, alternating layers of vanilla wafer and delicious coffee flavored cream wrapped in milk chocolate. It definitely smells like coffee. It's not horrible, but you have to like coffee, and I really don't like coffee like that, so this is not something that I would get, but it's not bad. It tastes just like they described it, a coffee crisp. Okay, so the next item in the box is this maple lollipop. It's a Canadian treat and it's made of 100% pure maple syrup. Alright, I don't know about this one. That sounds a little weird. But let's taste it. Alright, let's taste it. It smells just like maple syrup. It's really sweet. It tastes just like maple syrup. You gotta like maple syrup to eat that. To just sit there and eat the whole thing, I couldn't do it. Okay, so the next thing is this Mcintosh Toffee. Mcintosh's Toffee. Enjoy in Canada for over... The next item is this Mcintosh's Toffee. It's enjoyed in Canada for over 100 years. This toffee is known for being not too hard and not too soft. I don't even know if I like toffee. I don't even know if I ever ate toffee. What is toffee? It kind of looks like a not a crybaby. A sugar daddy. What is it? Is it called sugar daddy, sugar baby? Sugar babies, I think. I think that's exactly what it is. It looks just like it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Can't bite into that. It's not bad. It has a nice taste to it. But as you can see, there's no biting in it. Okay, so the next item in the box is these Ruffles All Dress chips, the most popular chip in Canada, made with paprika and a secret blend of spices. So good. And I believe we have some All Dress chips here as well. Yeah, they actually taste like the all dress chips that we have here. And I actually think they are made by Ruffles. Just 2 different bags. Okay, so next are these sour cherry blasters. Brace yourself for a pucker of a lifetime. These candies have a powerful sour punch which subsides into a sweet and tangy cherry flavor. And this is what it looks like. These are good. They're a little bit more sour than the regular Sour Patches. So out of everything, this was probably my favorite. This banana bread, this was really good. Out of all of the chocolate bars, probably the Mr. Big bar was the best one to me. Out of the chips that I tried, the ketchup chips were probably the ones that stuck out the most to me. But that's pretty much everything that came inside of the snack crate. You guys let me know if you like videos like this, and I will bring more and try more snacks for you guys. Make sure you leave down in the comment section how you feel about this video, and I will see you in the next video.